In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order in Zoho Books, a skill that can streamline your financial management processes. First, let's dive right into the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your starting point, your main control hub where you keep track of all your financial activities. It's where you can monitor your finances, and it's the perfect place to initiate a new sales order. Once you're at the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the sales section. The sales module is crucial because it's here that you'll manage all your sales transactions, from estimates to invoices. Clicking on sales will open up a set of choices for managing your sales activities. Now, within the sales section, your focus should be on managing your customers because they are the center of sales transactions. Go ahead and click on customers. This section helps you organize and maintain your customer data efficiently. Managing your clientele is the backbone of ensuring that your sales processes work smoothly. Now you'll proceed to create a new customer record. Look for the option Create New Customer and click on it. This will lead you to a form where you'll input all necessary details of your customer. The first piece of information you'll provide is the customer type. This can be an individual or a business, and correctly categorizing will help you tailor your communication and documentation effectively. Up next is the primary contact, the main person you'll liaise with. Entering accurate contact information ensures that your communication reaches the right person without delays. Then proceed to add the company name. This is particularly important for businesses as it provides legitimacy and is a key identifier in your records. Following the company name is the display name, which could be a nickname or any other name your customer wishes to be referred by. This makes your communications more personable and direct. Next, you need to input the email address. This is a critical step as emails are primary communication and transaction verification tools. Ensuring the email address is accurate means fewer miscommunications or missed opportunities. Alongside the email, you'll provide the phone number, offering an alternative, sometimes more immediate form of contact. After entering the phone number, the next section is Other Details. This is where you can add any additional information about the customer that may be relevant for your sales process. Following this, it's time to select the currency your customer uses. This step ensures that financial transactions are clear and free from conversion misunderstandings. You'll also need to enter the customer's opening balance. This comes into play when your customer has previous dealings with you or when there's credit involved. Finally, after double checking all the details, go ahead and click on Save. This action will record the customer information in your database, ready for any sales transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully prepared Zoho Books to create a new sales order for your customer. Thank you for watching, and remember, accurate data entry today means smoother transactions tomorrow.